Hello everybody, this is the 16th lecture of the IELTS. Today we are going to talk about the first task of the academic IELTS, but it's another kind. In the last two lectures we took how to write the figure, but today's lecture is about how to write the diagram in the first task. Because in the first task of the academic writing, whether you have a diagram or you have a figure, it's mostly a figure, but sometimes they just give you a diagram. Okay, let's start. The diagram below shows how raw materials are used to make plastic products. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. We have this picture, the raw material, long molecules of a plastic, blah blah blah. Okay, I want you to have a look on the arrows, because the most important thing in the diagram is to explain the steps. It's different from the figure. In the figure we mostly make comparisons, but here in the diagram we just interpret the steps into words. Okay, let's start. The diagram illustrates the various stages in the production of plastic items. Clearly, this is a complex process that requires a range of equipment and machinery and, at some stages, skilled workers. Okay, this is the introductory to what we are going to talk about, to our steps. The first step. Initially, the raw materials have to be transported from the oil refinery to the plant. If we notice here, on the left side, there is a lorry with, or a long vehicle you may say, or as they say in the American English, a truck, on an arrow. It's written from oil refinery. Okay, let's go back. On arrival, they are put into a large drum, and from there they pass into a special oven. If you notice here, the second step after the first arrow, high pressure oven, which heats the material at high pressure so that long molecules of plastic form. If you just look at the picture on the second arrow, over the second arrow, sorry, there is long molecules of plastic. Okay, the granules are then funneled into a rectangular molder with a narrow end. The molder melts the plastic in order to push it out into a mold. When the plastic has hardened in a mold, the items can be removed and any waste material discarded. Before they can be packaged, the finished products have to be checked for any problems. So next they are placed on a belt and observed by an expert. If they pass the inspection, they can be packed into boxes and taken to a warehouse for storage. Okay, I wish that you got the benefit of this lecture. Please, if you just liked it, just to press the button of subscribe. If you have any questions, write them in the comments, and if you have any criticism, please just write it in the comments too. Thank you very much. It was Haidar ALcasseer with you. Thanks for watching.